Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about pronouns. So the pronouns are the words which are used in place of nouns. See these sentences. Ramesh is my brother. Ramesh plays basketball. Ramesh also likes to paint. Here Ramesh, repeated 3 times. We can replace Ramesh in the second and the third sentences by using pronouns he. So, it looks awkward when, or it sounds awkward, not looks, when we are referring somebody's name over and over for stating. So what we do? We use pronouns in place of the naming words. So all those words or pronouns are the words which are used in place of nouns. Like Ramesh is my brother. He plays basketball. He also likes to paint. So he is replacing the word Ramesh. So he is a pronoun. Now since Ramesh is a boy, so here he. Okay, he is used. If Rita is written, so Rita is my sister. So here would be she. Okay. Understood? Pronouns are of several types. So out of this we will discuss today 8 main types. First comes the personal pronoun. So personal pronouns are used for persons or things. Okay. Like I bought a cake. So I will be a personal pronoun. Okay. So it refers to person or things. So the pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it, they, him, her, us, them, etc. are personal pronouns. See here again the same sentence. I bought a cake. Now I is a person. So and cake is a thing. It was very delicious. So here, I bought a cake. I is a person, specific person. It was very delicious. Now we are referring to this cake, this specific cake which is bought by me. So it and I both are personal pronouns. Now personal pronouns are of 3 types. First person, second person and third person. So since these pronouns stand for the speaker, so what happens? In the first person we use in singular form I, me, and in plural form we and us. Like I am a student. Give the book to me. We like swimming. Can you take us to the station? So here the words I, me, we, us stand for the speakers, it himself, herself or themselves in case of plural. So these are first person. Okay. Singular or plural. So these were the first person personal pronoun. Okay. So first person pronoun. Okay. Then second one, the pronoun you. See the second one, the pronoun you. So now whenever we are referring or telling somebody you, so it is always the other person, not speaker. So you is the what you can say, in the singular and plural form both you are used. So you is the second person pronoun. See, you are my best friend. Shanti and Rama, here you single one is there. Friend is singular. So singular form, second person. Shanti and Rama, here two persons are there. Now plural form of you is also you. So you have to go to the principal. Okay, so here two persons are referred to. Here single person is referred to. So this is second person pronoun. Now third person. Like when the speaker is speaking for somebody else. Okay, so these are like he, him, she, her, it, they, them, theirs. Now, here also gender plays a very big role. You see this one. He is a footballer. I met him yesterday. She is a pilot. Can you give the books to her? It's her dress. Please give it to her. They are my sisters. I love them. So here he, him, she, her, it, they, them. Now these all are third person pronouns. Now you see here once more in the tabular form. So personal pronouns are of three types: first person, second person and third person pronoun. In singular form, first person refers to I and me, and in plural we and us. In second person, both the forms you is there. In third person, he, she, it, him, her, and in plural form they and them. Now here we can talk about the gender of the pronouns. See, first person and second person pronouns is used for both of the genders, male and female. Third person singular forms and plural forms differ. Okay, so he, his, him refers or used for males only, so masculine, and she, her, hers is referred for females or girls only. So males means boys and females means girls or men or women. Okay, so these are feminine. Now it and its is used for all the animals, birds, and non-living thing, even trees also. So these are neuter gender. So it's for non-living things and animals. So it is for neuter gender. So you can say that first person, second person pronoun generally used for a common gender. The second person pronoun is also used for the common gender, and the third person pronoun is used for masculine, feminine, and also for the non-living things. So non-living things come in neuter gender. Okay, so animals sometimes masculine and feminine, but in this case animals are in, for the animals also we use the word it. Okay, so here mainly we will consider this one as neuter gender. Then in third person plural forms, when there is more than one person, so we use they, their, them, theirs. Okay, so for males and females, animals as well as non-living things, the same words are used. So here masculine, feminine, and for neuter gender also sometimes we use this third person singular form, and plural form is same for everyone. Okay, then you need to understand when two or more nouns are joined. So the pronoun there, because more than one nouns are there, so automatically there will be more than one, that means plural. So pronoun will also be used as plural. This is the use. Okay, so see the table, accordingly you have to use these. Now for your homework you have to do this one. This should be done in your notebook. The doctor came to see my grandmother today. Das is not well. So you can use I, we, you, he, she or they. Donnie went home early today. Das has a test tomorrow. Sonia and Lena are on the same badminton team. Dash go for matches together. Jane, do Das know who the man in the white shirt is? Ronnie, and I go to the same school. Dash take the same bus to school. Then last, dash I'm studying now. Please call later.